Hello, all my wonderful mathematicians. So today we are dividing by 9. Nines are probably one of my favorite multiplication sets. Therefore, dividing by 9 is one of my favorite things to do. Once you have those nines memorized, they really are just as simple as all the rest of your multiplication. You just have to keep them straight in your head. So one of the ways we do that is through our strategies. And the different strategies we can use to divide, you have this anchor chart in your journal. We could do arrays. We could draw a picture. We could do repeated subtraction. We could use fact families. We could use factoring. We could skip count. And the one that I forgot to add yesterday is we could use a number line. And a number line helps us skip count. So if I was doing a number line and I needed to do 30 divided by 5, I would say, okay, there's 0, there's 35, 40. Let's count backwards. I think I missed a line. Well, add it in right there. Let's say I wanted to skip count or use a number line to do 30 divided by 5. Well, I need to start at 30 and then jump back by 5s. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, until I get to 0. And then I count how many times I jumped. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I skipped by 5 6 times. So 30 divided by 5 is 6. The great thing about a number line is you can use it in either direction. So if I know that I need to stop at 30 because my dividend is 30, I could count up. So I could do jumps by 5 until I reach 30 and then count up. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jumps on my number line. So number lines help us with skip counting, which is always a good idea to have something to help you remember where you are in your counting. So add this to your anchor chart, please. If you don't have space at the bottom, maybe you can find space at the top. Remember, to divide is to sort things out into equal groups, to split things up, cut it into equal pieces, group things equally. That word equal is going to come up a whole bunch, okay? So that's division. So let's look at division by 9. Our essential question today, what strategies can we use to divide by 9? We just went over a whole bunch of strategies that can be used. Let's see which ones we're using today. First, we're going to start by unlocking the problem. I'm going to read the question, the word problem, to make sure I understand all of the words that are in it. And then I can go back and read to make sure I understand what information I'm going to need. So here we go. It says Beckett's class goes to the aquarium. The 27 students from the class are separated into 9 equal groups. How many students are in each group? Okay, so I'm going to look around. I see a picture down here. And this is a picture of an aquarium. Inside these glass walls are fish. So an aquarium is like a really big fish tank. Okay? Let's read the question over here, and then I'm going to go back and read again. Now that I understand what all of those words are, what an aquarium is, what separated means, I can go ahead and do this. It says, do I need to find the number of equal groups or the number in each group? All right, so I'm going to think about that as I read. Do I need to find the number of equal groups or the number in each group? Beckett's class goes to the aquarium. Good to know. The 27 students from the class are separated into 9 equal groups. How many students are in each group? So I know how many groups. It told me I had 9 equal groups. So I'm looking for how many students in each group. Okay, that's what I need to find out. How many are in each group? And what label will my answer have? There are blank students in each group. That's how I know that you know what your answer means. You put a label on it. So let's figure this out. I know I'm going to be doing 27 students in 9 equal groups. It says to draw circles to show 9 groups. I have 9 circles for 9 groups. Draw 1 counter in each group. Continue drawing 1 counter at a time until all 27 counters are drawn. Okie dokie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay? There are blank counters in each group. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 counters in each group. So there are blank in each group. What were there in each group? Students. There are 3 students in each group. So I can write 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Or 27 divided by 9 equals 3. Using groups is a good way to do nines because 9 is a larger divisor, then you don't have as many in your circles, like as many tick marks in your circles. If I wanted to do this a different way, I could. Let me show you really quick one of my favorite ways to do my nines. I'm going to use this space I have right here. These are my, not factors. These are my nines timetables. So I'm going to start over here, and I'm going to say 0 through 9. I'm going to write out 0 through 9. Okay? And then I'm going to go backwards and do the same thing. This is the same as 1 times 9 is 9. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 9 is 27. 4 times 9 is 36. 5 times 9 is 45. 6 is 54. 7 is 63. 8 is 72. 9 is 81. And 10 is 90. These are my multiplication facts for 9. 1 times 9, 2 times 9, 3 times 9, all the way down. And it's as easy as writing down 0 through 9 and then 0 through 9. Very cool. All right, on the next slide, go ahead and look at another strategy we can use to divide by 9.